Good day everyone, we are the Group 2 and in this video, we are going to present the designing and making concrete cylinder sample. Our group consists of 4 members, namely John Dalogdog, Concepcion, Jal Debre Fausto, and Nicolette Neri.
Materials are cement, sand, gravel, water, tamping rods, trowel, shovel, mixing pan, storage of cement and aggregates or molds, rubber mallet, and cylinder molds.
And now, we will proceed to the experiment procedures. For the first step, we mix the concrete according to the cement, sand, and coarse aggregate ratio, which is 1:1.5:2.5. We then slowly poured water into the concrete mixer until the concrete achieves the desired workability, cohesiveness, and plasticity. For the second step, after adding all of the ingredients, mix the concrete for 5 minutes and then do a rest for another 5 minutes. The third group then took some mixed concrete to perform the slump test. Then, they measured the slump to determine its type and how much of the remaining mixing water must be added to achieve the correct type of slump. We then proceeded to the making of the concrete cylinders. We filled the cylinder molds with concrete, placing it in 3 equal layers and consolidated using the tamping rod.
The fourth step is to place the concrete in the mold by distributing it around the inside of the mold with a scoop. Consolidate the layer by rodding 25 times evenly distributed around the layer. The fifth step is to tap the sides of the mold 10 to 15 times with the mallet after each layer in order to close any insertion holes formed either by the rod or the vibrator. Lastly, use a trowel in order to flatten the top layer of the cylinder.
The purpose of this experiment was to design a concrete mix and to make concrete cylinder samples. Using the absolute volume method outlined in the American Concrete Institute Standard 211.1, we were able to come up with our own class mixture, which was then used in 3 experiments. The amount of concrete needed for the experiment was determined by calculating the volume of the cylinder and multiplying it by 3, complying with the minimum testing requirements. The materials and the apparatus in making the concrete cylinder based on ASTM31 or ASH2 T23 from DPWH Blue Book standard and to observe and get the results against the standard.